Greeting, dear college and dear teachers. My name is Julio Moises Dominguez Guzman, candidate for the Presidency of Class 2209. Today, I will speak to you not as a candidate, but also as an equal. A student who walks in these walls dealing like you, who has realized the needs of the student community. As a student, it's true that we have responsibilities and duties, but we also have rights. At the end of the day, we are human people. It saddens to me that we live in an education system in which staying a student make us happy and make us want to kill ourselves for the such a pressure that bad nights and do the responsibility of having heavy schedules and practice and the afternoon studying about having space to do homework. This is not good companies. University are going to enjoy. This must improve support to grow your student, do not harm them. The first proposal of my campaign is to summarise the creation of student courses, recognized by the university so that all the students feel confident to the president their problem as well as prepare with the proposal that we perform possibilities are professional. This community should be heard by the same dialogue community that will be carried out as a professional in a due way because at the end of the day, we do not want to be benefits or abroad. We want both of them reach result in which both parties are harmed and we can grow at the same time. The second proposal consists in the improvement of the students' area. That the things are always an option condition so that we can develop the work in the areas distinctive from these activities with speed to achieve the better concentration and the peaceful elaboration of our student activities. The third proposal is the assignment of administrative area, such as treasurer and school service. As a student of the Tech Millennium University, we have the right to be informed and the clarify of doubts through the conditional and respectful dialogue by both parties. Because though we are students, we are people adults recognized before the socially and such and deserve the same respect we should. With happiness, I thank you all for allowing me to express the concerns found and the proposed solutions. As well as the listening to me with my face up, I say goodbye and I will retain the same moment and energy for the student electorate hoping to favor your votes. Thank you.